If you guys tuned into the first accessory review episode, you'd recognize this clip. So would you say it's good for a date?
Yeah, if you'd ever take me on one.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Well, I took her on a date and things worked out well. So now she's taking all my accessories from me. So for a Christmas gift, I got her this SC center console over here. And we're gonna be installing this in her 2011 Honda Element LX. This style console came stocked in all SCs from the year 2007 to 2010. These are pretty popular to put in your EX, LX, or DX because they got nice cup holder space here. And inside the console, they have an aux cord area and a power outlet. It also serves as an armrest and e-brake sits a bit higher up. For all the elements from year 2009 to 2011, they had this center console part, which is actually a cooler. So I'm gonna be taking this out and putting the center console in here. I'm first gonna start by taking out these seats. Now we have to take out this console and e-brake. And now that the e-brake's out, we're able to take out this metal bracket.
Just a little bit.
Also in this video, I wanted to show you guys how to install it. So we're gonna do that. First, you start with your SC bracket. This is gonna go in the same place as your old bracket did. Here's the bracket from the old Element, and here's the one for the SC. You can see these are different just by a little. The SC has these parts welded onto them that tabs go into, and this one doesn't. And for the 09 to 11, they have these on them too, which the SC doesn't. For the SC, they had a different subwoofer cover. This is the one from hers. You can see they're different, so we're gonna go ahead and swap it out. One thing to note about these SC consoles is the floor mat is gonna be different. So if you have one of these full floor mat that go from the driver to the passenger side, you're not gonna be able to have one of those because there's a bottom lower piece that you have to put down here. So we're gonna be taking this one out. And then your lower portion piece goes in like this. I just unscrewed this piece, which holds in your e-brake cables that goes down here. And for the SC console, it has one of these that uses the same bolt holes and lines up right here. So this kind of raises your e-brake cables about an inch off the floor. So we're gonna start by installing this bracket here. This bracket is for your e-brake, and you can see there's two holes on the end here, and then there's two holes in the back. So the two holes on the end are hidden behind this rubber flooring. So you're gonna wanna pry this part up, and then you take your bracket and slide it down into place. Then here is your final bracket. It goes into these two holes. There's one hole here, and then there's one hole kind of hidden down here. Now that all of our brackets are on, we're gonna install the e-brake. And then right here's your brake wire. We're gonna have to unhook this and hook it up into here. I ran into an issue here. These e-brake cables are too short and they won't reach the bracket all the way up here. When's the last you used the e-brake?
I don't know.
Help me out.
Probably like a month ago.
Bruh. So yeah, I'm just not gonna hook up the e-brake. The harness down here connects to the aux cord and the 12 volt inside. You can hook that up, but for this install, we're not gonna. To install the console itself, you're just gonna put it on there. line up your clips here and press it in. I took this panel off, which goes up like this, just to make it easier to install. Perfect. The console is in. I'm in love with this. I think it looks great in here. We were even able, I didn't put this piece in so she could keep her dog bone floor mats in here. And I didn't think the rear mat would fit like it does, but it actually fits, and the console lays on the ground too. Now that our console's installed, we can put back the seats. Here's what the console looks like installed. It fits exactly like it would in an SC. You got your aux cord and your 12-volt power socket here, and plenty of room on the inside. 2 cup holders here, e-brake right here, and your subwoofer right down there. You can find replacement tops for this, just the leather, on eBay. Okay, now it's time for the review. Stacy, what are your thoughts on the SC center console?
Well, I used to have I used to have armrests, and then I got these SC seats, and they don't come with armrests. And I was used to driving like this, and then I had to get used to driving without an armrest. So it's kind of nice to have this back, because I can drive like this again.
How much do you like having the 2 cup holders here instead of on the floor?
I like it a lot better because my dog would always come through here and spill everything because it was on the floor. So it's nice having it up here.
So these go for around $350 to $700 on the high end. Do you think this is worth that kind of money?
I don't know. I didn't pay for it.
Okay, well, I guess, yeah, that makes sense. So I've only been driving an SC for about 7 months now, and I really, really love the center console. Whenever I'm driving, I can put in my aux cord, because I have a stock radio, so I run aux through it. So I plug in my aux cord, run it through here, and I set my phone right here, so I can look at my phone to get directions or change the songs. It's just really convenient. I love the cup holder being up here rather than on the floor. I think it makes it just a whole lot easier. And I like having the armrest here. Like, I always drive like this, and I don't know, I just like it.
Do you think that it's worth all that money?
Honestly, if you could find a cheaper one, like under 400 bucks, I think it's a simple enough mod, and it's really, really useful to do it. Plus, you're always gonna get your money back out of it. You'll never lose money if you pay 400 bucks for this. So I'd say it's definitely worth it. As far as the dimensions of this console, it does kind of stick out a bit further in the back. And if you're hauling long things like 2x4s or something, and you stick them up through the middle, you won't be able to do that, or you'll have to rest it on top of the console here. But for me, this doesn't really get in my way. I rarely ever have things coming up through the middle, so I think this is perfect for my use. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. I'm heading back to Pennsylvania. Box Bay and Box Boy out. Peace.